What's up everybody, Josh here, and in this video, I'm out in the South Shore Yacht Club in Ruskin, Florida, and I'm gonna take you on a tour of two brand new construction homes that are in the process of being completed that are waterfront. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryan, and I'm your Tampa Bay area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I'd love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But enough talking, let's start today's tour. Hey guys, this is the Biscayne 2. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,403 square feet. Has been reduced $50,000 down to $870,000. As you can see, it's still under construction, but it's getting pretty close to being finished. So you got your 2-car garage here. You can see the foundation is elevated there. But let's go through the front door, show you what it looks like. So you got your nice entryway here, your paver stairs, and your front porch. Nice covered area here. Glass on the front door. You have your, what's this? It's tile. Okay, so wood-like tile. It's not LVP. You come in, you have your front flex room here. You do have a tray ceiling. And then right around here, you have a little drop zone and a half bath. Right, that goes obviously out to the garage. And then into the kitchen, you can see it's still work in progress. But you have your white tile, your quartz countertops, your white cabinets. Range hood's gonna go there. Double oven, or not double oven, wall mounted oven and microwave there. Then your pantry here, and then your farmhouse style sink there. Have your triple sliders. Let's just go out here real fast. Okay, there we go. So nice cover lanai. You have plumb for your outdoor kitchen, right out on the water here. And I know that you can remove some of these mangroves, put a dock in if you like. Nice size covered lanai. And then of course, your staircase down to the backyard and the water. All right, let's continue on. Here is your main living room area. So you got that nice water view. And then up the stairs, so you have wood stairs here. You got your wood spindles on the handrails. And then when you come up to the left right here, you're gonna have your loft, which is gonna have a killer view. One of my clients, they're building this floor plan now, and that's actually why I'm out here, to take a look at their progress. But check out this view. So right out into the little bay here, and then you can take that out into the Tampa Bay, and then obviously you can continue on into the Gulf and around the world. Second story laundry room. And then your main bedroom right here. Nice tray ceiling. Get that same killer view. You also have the tile roofs. Then into the main bathroom, get your dual vanity. Obviously you have some mirrors there. Then your walk-in shower. This one has the rain head, shower head, niche there, and a bench back there. Water closet there. This is gonna be your linen closet. And then your main closet. It's gonna be back here. All right. Down the hall, you have your air handler there. And then over here, one more full bath. And then your toilet and then your tub and shower combo is going to be here. So there should be a linen closet there. And then 2 more bedrooms. All right, that's gonna do it for this one. See you at the next one. All right, so this one's right next door. This is the Caladisi 2 floor plan. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,501 square feet. Currently listed at $928,900. So let's go inside, take a look at this one, see how far along they are. Let me know what you think about this one in the comments below. All right, so you come up, got your covered front porch here. All right, let's go inside. All right, so you come in the front door, you have the wood-like tile floor. And then to the left here, you're gonna have your flex room. You do have the tray ceiling up there. And then there's gonna be a half bath right here. Let's run upstairs and we'll come back down. As you can see, still a little bit of work to be done, but it'll be done next couple months. So you come up top, you have your loft here with the 3 windows looking over. It's not gonna be a great view because of the plastic on, but you're looking over the water. And then over here, it's gonna be your laundry room. So you got your sink in here. Obviously washer and dryer would go there. And over here, air handler there. And then this is gonna be the main bedroom. That great view over the water. Dual vanity with the white cabinets, quartz countertops. You're gonna have your walk-in closet here. And then your shower is gonna be there. And then your water closet is gonna be there. All right. And then over here, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms. Oops. Nice sized bedrooms here. Then another bath, same quartz countertops, the white subway tile around the tub and shower combo. Gonna have a linen closet here. And then bedroom number 3 right here. All right, let's go downstairs. All right, so nice open floor plan when you get down the stairs. Let's go over here real fast. So this is gonna be your little drop zone area here when you come in out of the garage. So you can see you got the elevated garage here. Just step down into that. Nice 2-car garage there. And then your living room. Got your triple sliders. And then your open kitchen here. Got your white cabinets, the quartz countertops, wall-mounted oven and microwave. And then your pantry is going to be here. And then your dining area right over here. And then obviously there is the slab for the island. Let's go out here. So you come out, get this nice big covered lanai that wraps around over here. You do have plumbing out here for an outdoor kitchen. And then this killer view. And of course you can get rid of some of these mangroves and put in a dock if you'd like. But that's gonna do it for this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below.